As a student in Canada, having a travel card can be highly beneficial, especially if you frequently fly back and forth between your home and college. By using a travel card for everyday spending, such as groceries, you can earn points that can essentially pay for your trips, eliminating the need to use cash. Among the numerous travel cards available to students in Canada, the CABC Airplane Visa card for students stands out as a top option, particularly for those who prefer flying with Air Canada. This card offers 1 point per dollar spent on gas, groceries, and Air Canada, and 1 point for every $1.50 spent on other purchases. New cardholders can receive up to $200 in value during their first year, simply by signing up and making their first purchase. The card has no annual fee, making it a free credit card, and the minimum credit limit is $1,000, with no minimum income requirements. The purchase interest rate is 20.9%, and the cash interest rates are 22.9% for non-Quebec residents and 21.99% for Quebec residents. Cardholders earn points on eligible purchases, including gas, vehicle charging, groceries, and Air Canada, as well as on other purchases. Additionally, points can be earned twice at over 150 Air Canada partners and over 170 online retailers through the Air Canada store. The card also offers preferred pricing, providing a 10% discount on flights booked with Air Canada points, and a free SPC membership, with no annual fee. This card can help students save a significant amount of money, making it an excellent choice for those in Canada.